Alright, I've been kind of jealous of all the YouTubers and their drones and their drone footage. I've never flown a drone before, but I want one. So during Cyber Monday, I was looking at all the drones out there, and I didn't want to spend between $500 and $2,000 for an expensive drone and find out that I can't flash it or I can't fly it, and end up wrecking and destroying a $2,000 drone. So I decided to get me a drone. It's still a toy, but it's powered by DJI, which is like one of the better drone manufacturers out there. It's the Tello. It's still a toy class drone, but it has some pretty good features. And I figured I'll play with this and get used to this, and see, if I'm decent at flying a drone, or, if I'm going to enjoy it. It is, like I said, it was $99, but it came with 3 batteries and a battery charger. So and it's supposed to stay in flight for like 13 minutes. I've flown it around the house a little bit, but I'm going to take it outside and fly it around and maybe do a little tour of the property just around the house, and once I get better, I'll do a longer tour of it. It actually has stabilizing. This will it keeps it stable flight when you let off the controls, so it's great for beginners. Everything I've read, this is like a great beginner drone. So, and I'm definitely a beginner, so we'll go outside and see how it does. All right, here we are. I'm trying to figure out how to actually fly this thing in fast mode. So I'm backing up, trying to get a better view of the duck, chicken, and guinea pen. This has a 720p camera on it. So it's a decent video. It's not great. It's not 1080p or 4K, but it's not too awful bad. You see the greenhouse in the back there. I'm standing next to the strawberry tree. We got guavas and kiwi along the fence. In the back there, in the corner, there's pineapples, and we got our blueberries. We got the Southern Home grapes. The Barbados cherry is there. The mint tree is there. We got the curry leaf and the Jacobacaba. Then there's on the left down is some of our banana trees. Our Kehoe garden is right there. And here's me not knowing really how to fly this thing very well. Backing up a little bit, you can see the Japanese plum there. More pineapples on the right hand side. Mulberry tree on the right. On the left lower corner is some of our dwarf Cavendish, and there's some small of the ice cream bananas. Now going over top of the shed in the house, trying not to run into the trees. It's going to take a little bit to get used to, but the drone is actually pretty easy to fly. There's our little burn pile. We burned scrap wood and cardboard sometimes there. Tree limbs, that type of stuff. We need to get a wood chipper so we can chip stuff up. You can see everything is starting to dry. We're probably going to be able to actually be able to mow most of the property this weekend, which we're really looking forward to. Again, here I'm trying to maneuver between trees and not run into anything. That's our pine forest back there. I'm going to cut that down. That floods. I'm going to build some of the chalupas, trench with mounds on each side of it to, going to probably plant some peach and stuff like that. Here's our swing set garden. We just went over the pumpkins. There we got some lettuce. You can see the Everglades tomatoes back there, and we're going towards the chicken and duck pen. You can see one of the guineas in that dog house that we converted into a guinea house. We're back around. There was Sadie up on the steps. I don't know if you're able to see that. Here. All right, here we are again. I'm trying to come down onto our ice cream bananas. I didn't get a very good shot of that before. And there's Amy stepping back out of the shot. So I guess she's afraid I want to hit her with the drone. Really? And I'm trying to be able to get up close to the. Probably should have put it in slow mode so that I could really get in here close. This is the ice cream banana, and this is the new bloom on it. We have a huge bloom. I think we're going to get a lot of bananas out of this one. So this is pretty much the footage I have with the drone. It was starting to get a little windy, so I decided not to fly the drone anymore. I don't want to take the chance of running it into trees. And so there you are. There's the first flight of my Tellos drone, my $99 test drone. I figured it's better to try get this $99 drone and practice with it, and then maybe I can talk Amy into letting me get a bigger, more expensive drone. So that's it for this video. I hope y'all enjoyed it. I know it's not, any great drone footage like some of the other channels, but it's a first for me. Y'all have a great day and grow something for your family.
All right, if you like that video, give us a thumbs up, like and subscribe. We also are on Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram, and we also have a Facebook group where you can post your own pictures and also make comments and help other people grow something for your family.